Yo, what's up beautiful people? It's a girl Angela Nzako, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve this simple eyebrow tutorial for beginners. So without wasting any time, let's begin. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like my video, share and comment, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts at Angela Nzako. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Love you guys. Let's begin our video. Mwah. So guys, these are the tools that I'll be using on my eyebrows. As you can see, the interlock. I will be started by taking a pulley or a brush and brush my eyebrow. This helps in making the eyebrows to come out clear or neat. After that, I'll be taking my eye pencil or your eyeliner. I'll be using a black one. Sorry for that, it failed. Don't mind my hair. Take your eyebrow, take your eyeliner and start drawing your eyebrows from the front of your eyebrows, the downside, the below your eyebrows. Then start at the top, at the middle of your eyebrows. Just draw a very thin line. Just draw it according to your eyebrow shape. Then at the front of my eyebrows, I'll be drawing some stroke lines and fill in the end of my eyebrows. Fill. After that, I'll be taking back my pulley or your brush. Brush by starting at the front of your eyebrows. Brush gentle until it gives you a natural look at the front of your eyebrows. Then brush at the end. After you are done with that, I'll be taking my Pro-Girl concealer, shade number 8. It's lighter than my skin, so I'll be using it to clean up my eyebrows or to give it a shape. As you can see, it's light. I'll apply down and up. After you are done, I'll be taking a brush, a very thin and not fluffy brush. I'm looking for it. Yeah, it goes. I'll be starting by cleaning at the front, going backwards. For me, I like being very careful so that I can draw a very straight, or it comes out clear straight, no bumps, like it's not messy or it goes up, down, no. So then I'll be cleaning the upper side of my eyebrow. I'm always keen with my eyebrows. If you mess up with the eyebrows, you mess up with the whole look. So be so keen. Then I'll be bringing the concealer to my eyelid. Just continue cleaning where you see that you haven't cleaned it well or you haven't given it a shape. To bring the rest of your concealer to your eyelid. After that, I'll be taking a fluffy brush and just pressing the concealer. Just to give it a smooth look. Blend, 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 blend. Also blend the upper side. As you can see, it looks so nice. Very simple. And that's the final look of the eyebrow. So I'll be doing the other side of camera. Here goes the final look. Hope you like it. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.